Okay, friends, our writing today says, I am unique because. So, another word for unique is special. What makes you special and one of a kind? You each have so many talents and things that make you wonderful and amazing and unique. So, I want you to think of just one thing you can say. I am unique because. What makes us unique? Now, okay, I'm going to think again. I am unique because. I'm going to think of something that makes me feel really special and unique is the fact that I am Pierce's mom. I love being her mommy. So I'm going to write I am unique because, and then I'm going to start my letter at the top. Remember, we always start our letters at the top. I, and then I have the word am right here, so I'm just going to copy it. I am, and then I know how to spell Pierce's name, so P-I-E-R-C-E apostrophe S, Pierce's, and then I'm going to sound out the word mom. Ready? I'm going to sound out the letter. So, I'm going to do it again. So I have, I know that's the letter M. O. M. I'm going to add a period. Okay, friends, then when you are ready, you can get your craft from Art Center and you can glue it down. So remember our poem, just a dot, not a lot. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the corners. And then I'm going to push it down. And then I'm also going to glue my elephant. All right, and then I'm going to push him down. All right, my friends. So there I have my Elmer craft and writing, and look at that. I didn't wait long enough. There's a little bit of paint. That's okay. All right, friends, do your very best work.